In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we're going to create this 4-colour macrame wristlet. Here I have my 4 colours of macrame cord and I've tied them to a lobster clasp. I'm now going to use my macrame board, so I'm going to secure the clasp to the board using some pins. Now we have our 4 colours, we're just going to separate them out. My cords are 18 inches long, but depending on how long you want your wristlet to be, then you can adjust the sizes of the cord. Now we've separated out our cords, to get started we're going to take the brown cord and place it over the white cord. Then we're going to take the grey cord and we're going to place it underneath the pink cord. And then the grey cord is now also going to cross over the brown cord. That has started our wristlet. Now we're going to do the same again. So we're going to take the white cord and place it over the grey cord. We're going to take the pink cord and place it under the brown cord, and then the pink cord is going to go over the white cord. All the time we're trying to keep these as flat as possible, and we just need to pull them nice and tight because this is the start of our wristlet. And then now we're going to continue. So the grey cord is going to go over the pink cord, and the brown cord is coming under the white cord and over the grey cord. Starting to make a lovely pattern now of our macrame cords. So again, pink over brown, white cord is coming under the grey cord, and then the white cord is going over the pink cord. And then now we're just going to continue to follow this same pattern until we have our desired length of plaits for our macrame wristlet. Once you've created your desired length of the macrame cord, we're going to stop there and remove it from the board. And then now we're going to fold up the ends up to the top, and we're going to thread the cord through the top of the clasp. We're going to try and keep them as nice and neat and straight as possible, and we're just going to fold them over. Then now to complete the keychain we just need to make a gathering knot. So take a piece of cord, so I'm just going to use grey. We're going to place that on top, we're going to make a loop in the bottom, then we're going to proceed to wrap that round the macrame wristlet quite tight. We want it to hold really nice and firm. Then when we've got enough twists, we're just going to take the end of the cord and we're going to thread it through the loop, and then pulling both ends we're just going to secure the gathering knot, and that's going to secure our wristlet nicely and hold it all together. Keep it all nice and firm. We're just going to take our scissors and we're just going to trim off all the excess cord as close as we can to the gathering knot. And once it's all been trimmed off, your macrame wristlet is completed. I think these macrame wristlets are really cute and they are super easy to make once you know how. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. See you all again soon.